Good morning, students. Today I will explain you the maximum power transfer theorem. Before explaining you the maximum power transfer theorem, first we will discuss on the statement of the maximum power transfer theorem. So according to the maximum power transfer theorem, in any linear bilateral network, maximum power is transferred from a source to load when load resistance made equal to the internal resistances of the source viewed from the source as viewed from the load terminals with the load removed and all EMF sources replaced by their internal resistances. So what is the meaning of this? So for example, I have a linear bilateral electrical network. So in that I have to calculate the maximum power transfer from the source to load. Okay. Then what I have to do? When the load resistance is made equal to the internal resistance of the source, my aim is to what? To make the load resistance is equal to the internal resistance of the source. For example, EMF source. So let's explain you with the example circuit. Okay. For example, I have a circuit here, so which is having EMF source, that is voltage, and the resistance, and which is connected to the RL, load resistance. Okay, so assume it has a voltage V. This is the resistance R. So this is the load resistance RL. Okay, so this is equivalent to any circuit, any bilateral network. Okay, so you can draw any bilateral circuit here. Okay, any bilateral circuit you can draw here, then you can connect with the load resistance, that is RL. Okay, so here whatever the block I have drawn circuit, it is any linear bilateral network. Just I have taken this example. So according to with this, I'll give you the proof how to solve, or I will explain you how the maximum power can be proved. Okay. So let's derive this circuit now. If I simply draw this circuit, it will be simplified like this. This is the load resistance. This is the R. Then this is the voltage V. Okay. Then this is the load resistance RL. Okay. So what is the formula for current? I equal to V by R, right? V here means voltage. Then R I have R and also RL. R plus RL. Then what is the formula for power? Power formula is P equal to I square RL. Okay. Then I will substitute the I value here. Substituting the I value, I will get as I equal to V divided by R plus RL. Okay. R square into RL. So this is my formula for power. So next what I will do, I will differentiate this equation, that is power equation. Okay. Differentiating power P with respect to RL. Okay, that is dP by dRL. Okay, then I substitute the value of power and also differentiate it. I have formula in differentiation. So if you have formula in the form of du by dv, you have to just keep the u as it is, differentiate v with respect to x, then differentiate, keep v as it is and differentiate u with respect to x. This is the formula for differentiation.